Hello, this is Miss Allison, and I will be teaching you guys how to play Egyptian Rats Crew. This is a really fun game to play, especially when you have a deck of cards or two. If you have one deck of cards, it's great for players 3 and up. For two decks of cards, it's usually great for players 4 through 8. This is a really great game to learn about strategy and as well as being patient and learning how to really think before reacting, which can be tough, especially when things start getting really crazy and you want to slap those cards. So before we get started with this online version of this game, I want to explain the rules to you just really briefly. So first of all, this game, the object of this game is to get all the cards at the end. Whoever gets all the cards is a winner. Aces are high, so if you get, and all the face cards have a key component to it. So if you draw a jack, you have one, the next person has one card to draw a face card. If they don't, the person before takes the cards. For queens, it's 2 cards. For kings, it's 3 cards. Aces is 4. You can slap a card as everybody deals a card if it is a double. So if player 1 draws a card of 4 and player 2 draws a card of 4, anybody can slap that card, and whoever slaps it first gets those cards. If there's a sandwich, which means player 1 has a 9, player 2 has a 2, and then player 3 has a 9, whoever slaps it first gets those cards. So let's begin with this. This is a really fun website. It is one player, unfortunately. If you guys want to find a multiplayer one, I can absolutely look one up for you and post it on the Google Classroom. This is scratch.mit.edu. And in order to start, you can either press the hand or you can press this green flag. I'm going to do that. Fun music. I love it. Alright, so difficulty, I am picking 1 so I can show you, and it's also quite easy. I personally like 1. You can play a game of 3. It will be less. There'll be less going on. It'll be a quicker game. Game of 2 will be very quick. So let's go with 4, just to give a little bit of juice. If I run out of time, just know that the game is going to keep going. So cards are distributed evenly. So everyone gets 13 each. Okay. To play a card, you're going to hit the up button to draw one. So player 2 had that one. So I'm going to draw another card. If you want to slap, you're going to hit the space bar. Okay. So, that was a chance to slap, and I did not slap. That's okay. Oh, so they had 1. Player 2 took the cards. So this can pile up and be really, really stressful. So you got to be really careful not to slap too quickly. Oh, so now player 2 is on fire. Okay, I need 2 to redeem myself. Nope, I did not get a face card. Okay, so this one has, king, there we go. 1, 2, 3. They redeem themselves with the ace. And they redeem themselves with the king. 1. Oh, that would have been a slap. So there was a sandwich. Right, 1, 2. Ugh, last minute. Jack's a great card because there's a less probability that anybody would have a face card than with a queen or a king or that. So if you do slap and it's not a good hand, you do have to draw a card out. So if you want to, you can come back if you are out, mind you. But you have to slap the correct card. So you have to be a little bit stealthy with it. I decided not to just slap that one because I wasn't sure. So he had to put a card in. Okay, they won, so I get those cards. One more. So I got the slap because it was a 10 sandwich, and it was my turn to, because I drew a jack and they didn't have that. They had a 10. Either way, I still slapped. I do not want to lose that card. Yep, so they have to draw a card because it was the wrong slap. 2, 3. Oh, I didn't have enough, so they give it to them. 1, 2. Oh, I have an ace. Ooh, I'm going to slap that because I want those aces. I slapped that because I wanted those cards too. So you see the doubles? Yep, there's 2 doubles. I had the doubles before. That's what we want to do. Whoop. I don't know why they did that. Well, they got the cards anyway. Oh, so this is getting interesting. Oh, whoops. That was my bad. So I had to draw a card. But that was a cane sandwich, and I got that. Ooh, see, it gets really interesting after a while. Now, if you're not a card player, think about it as this. You want to kind of play this game as fast as possible. You want to be as stealthy as possible. It's pretty fun. I played it in camp as a kid. I played with my cousins. It does get very competitive after all. So if you are playing this at home, be sure to be careful when you do slap, because you might hit one of your friends or family members. So if you feel like you're going to be very intense with it, try slapping the table instead. That's usually what I do. Okay, so we're going to keep on going with this. All right. Oop. Ah, thought that was it. So I'm not doing a great job slapping today. That's okay. It's part of the fun. We're just learning. We're having fun. I got all those cards. Nice job, me. Okay, so I'm going to keep on playing. If you guys want to know more about this game, you can absolutely play this game. I'll leave the link up on the classroom. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask away. Again, this is a really fun game. It does look a little slow on here, so up the ante and play a level 2. And if you really want to get crazy, play level 3. And remember to have fun. I will see you guys on the other side.